So in this video we will discuss about half wave symmetry. Half wave symmetry. So the condition for half wave symmetry is that x of t plus minus t by 2. X of t should be equal to minus of x of t plus minus t by 2. This is the condition for half wave symmetry. So this minus sign denotes amplitude reversal, and this is the, and t plus minus t by 2 denotes the time shifting. We all know that t plus t by 2 is equal to shifting to the left side. Shift towards left by time t by 2, and t minus t by 2 means shift towards right by t by 2. So if we add plus t by 2, it is also called as time advance. So if we add time, then it is also called as time advance. So it is also called as time advance, and this is also called as time delay. So subtraction is also called as time delay, and in subtraction we shift right by t by 2, and when we add, then we shift left by t by 2, and t is the time period of the signal. So let's take an example to check this condition. So first we have to shift towards left or right by t by 2, then we have to do the amplitude reversal. Minus sign denotes the amplitude reversal. So we have to follow two steps. So we will see how we can do this procedure and check. So if we have a signal like this, so this is a signal, and we have to check whether it is half wave symmetric or not. So this is time 2, this is time 4, this is time 6, this is time minus 2, this is time minus 4. So we can see that the time period of this signal is 4. Its time period is 4. This is my signal x of t. Now we have to find x of t plus t by 2 or t minus t by 2. So I am finding x of t plus t by 2. So time period is 4, so t plus 2. So we have to do t plus 2, means we have to shift towards left by 2 units. And this is an infinite signal in both the directions. So if we have to shift left by t by 2 left by 2 units, then this 2 will become 0. So the signal will become like this. This 2 will come towards 0, and 0 will come towards minus 2. So it will come like this. And this 4 will come towards become 2. So it will be like this only. So this is the t plus 2 by version of this signal. Now we have to do the time amplitude reversal. So the positive values will become the negative value, and the negative value will become the positive value. So just shift So time reversal is also called as rotation about the x-axis. So the signal will become like this value will shift upwards. So we have to rotate the signal by x-axis. So when we rotate the signal by x-axis, then we get our original signal. So this signal is x minus of x t plus 2, and it is equal to x of t. See, this signal and this signal are same. This is plus 2, this is plus 4, this is plus 6. See, this signal and this signal are same. So we can say that this signal is half wave symmetric signal, because it is satisfying this condition that x of t is equal to minus of x t plus minus t by 2. So first what we did is we did x of t plus t by 2, its time period was 4, so we did x of t plus 2. Then we did amplitude reversal to get minus of x of t plus 2. So what we got was, we got the original signal x of t. So it is satisfying this relation, hence we can say that this signal is half wave symmetric signal. This signal is half wave symmetric signal. Similarly, we can do x of t minus 2 also. It will again be same only. So we can check for either t plus 2 or we can check for either t minus 2. So both you can check. So either of those you can check, and if it is satisfying this property, then it is called as the half wave symmetric signal. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you and best of luck for exams.